Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick tutorial on how to create customer on the Makesales platform. So once you have logged into your account, on the left-hand side of your screen, you navigate down to the Customers tab. When you click on it, a page is displayed where you get to see your customers' details and the total number of customers that you currently have. Over here, you can see that we have five customers. So this particular place shows the total number of customers you have as a vendor. Now, for this tutorial, I would like to create a new customer. So over here, you click on this Create Customer tab. When you click on it, a mini tab like this is displayed where you can fill out the customer's name, phone number, email address, and the Instagram handle. Also, if you have that particular customer's Instagram handle, you can do well to include that. But if you do not, you can as well leave it as that. Once you have confirmed that all the details you have imputed are correct, then you can proceed to click on the Create Customer button. Once you click on it, you get a pop-up notification like this saying that you have successfully created a customer, and the customer that you have created automatically appears the top of the chart alongside other customers that you have on the platform. So that's how easy it is to create a customer on the Makesales platform. So until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye.